Chief Minister Conrad Sangma on Tuesday laid the foundation stone for three major projects which are expected to ensure beautification and decongestion of the capital city. The Chief Minister laid the base for development of parking infrastructure under Shillong Smart City Private Limited to provide parking space for 465 vehicles with a total outlay of Rs 90 crore. A parking lot will be developed at Polo Market Junction. A mechanized multi-level car parking will be constructed at Vivekananda Road near the Additional Secretariat, while the third one will come up at the Polo Commercial Complex. Additionally, he also laid the foundation of the Wards Lake Promenade, under which 1.2 kilometre of stretch opposite the lake will be developed to include plaza, shops, vending zones, parking space and a restaurant.
The Memo Lake at Williamnagar and the at Vesupalpara.
Everybody, Honorable Chief Minister, Government of Meghalaya, Honorable Director, Urban Affairs Department.
Many plans and policies and programs have been planned and many are under implementation. And what we are seeing today that's going to be initiated is also going to be a very, very important part of what we are doing. We have a plan and a very ambitious plan, and we don't speak just on paper in terms of some ideas and numbers that come out from my mouth or my mind or Dr. Vijay or our ministers saying it. No. These are all done in a very scientific and a very planned manner, where we have mapped out close to 9,500 crores of funds which will be invested from various sources, including state government, including central government, including private investment in the new administrative city and in the new knowledge city that is going to come up. So when this investment takes place at that scale, in this new growth hubs, as we are going to call them, we expect to create almost close to 50,000 new jobs and opportunities of employment for our youth.